Thank you for purchasing the DuPont Universal Whole House Water Filtration System. This video will show you how easy it is to self-install this unit. You will find the instruction manual has many useful tips and includes some very important safety information. Please read the entire instruction manual before attempting to install this system. It is also important that you follow all local and state plumbing codes when installing this system. In today's demonstration, we will be showing the highlights of installing the filter to the incoming cold water supply line to your home. It is important to note that depending upon the age of your home, local plumbing codes, and region of the country you live in, your incoming water line could be plumbed with several different types of pipe and have different diameters. In today's demonstration, we will be looking at installing this filter system to 3/4 inch PVC pipe. Let's start by gathering the tools and materials required for this installation. The first page of the instruction manual includes a list of recommended tools needed for this project. Be sure to also study the section of the manual where you configure your system. It lists the types of materials or fittings you may need for the type of pipe you have for your home. First, turn off the main water supply line to your home. Every home is different, so your supply line to your home can be inside or outside. Next, be sure to purge the water lines throughout your home by turning on all faucets in your home and draining completely. Since this install is going to be plumbed with PVC plumbing, we recommend using the mounting bracket to help reduce the strain of the pipe from the weight of this system. In some systems, this bracket is not included in the purchase and has to be purchased separately. Position the mounting bracket on the top of the system head, aligning the 4 mounting bracket holes. Screw the mounting bracket securely onto the system head. Do not over-tighten or you will strip the threads and the bracket will not be fully secure. Insert the male adapter to each port on the system head. Do not permanently install at this point. Now measure the overall length of the configured system from knuckle to knuckle on the PVC fittings you just added to the inlet and outlet ports. This gives you the X dimension, which is the length of pipe to cut from your incoming water line in the next step. Now you are ready to cut the section of pipe. Before you mark the pipe, make sure the section you have chosen has a place adjacent to it that will allow you to attach the mounting bracket to a section of wall or ceiling depending on the location of your pipe. Mark the section of pipe to cut using the measurement you came up with in the previous step. Using a pipe cutter or hacksaw, cut the marked section of pipe. You will want a bucket handy for this part to help catch any remaining water in the pipe. You will want to remove any burrs or debris from the cut edges of the remaining pipe with a file. Align the system head on the pipes so that the inlet and outlet ports are properly aligned with the water line and water flow. The ports are marked on the system head. The in port on the system head should be facing the incoming water supply. Using the bracket as your template, mark the holes needed to mount the bracket. Next, drill holes and install screws. If you are not screwing into a stud, you may want to consider installing wall anchors. Apply appropriate sealant to the fittings and lines according to the types of fittings you purchased. Allow enough time for sealants to cure. Make all connections and tighten all fittings. Be sure to keep the system in an upright position. Attach the mounting bracket to the wall to help support the system. Insert the filter cartridge provided over the standpipe in the bottom of the filter housing. Make sure the O-ring is in place on the filter housing and that the top of the filter cartridge aligns with the system head before tightening. Be sure the filter housing is properly aligned with the threads to provide a tight water seal. Now you are ready to screw the filter housing onto the system head and hand tighten. Use the filter housing wrench to finish tightening with a quarter turn. Slowly turn on the water supply to your home. Press the red pressure relief button on the top of the filter system head to release any trapped air. Check for any leaks between the system head and filter housing and connections to the water line. If there are any leaks, turn off the water supply to your home and refer to the troubleshooting guide in your instruction manual or call a licensed plumber. If there are no leaks, flush the system as prescribed in the instruction manual. Now you are ready to start enjoying the benefits of filtered water by a DuPont whole house water filter system. Your appliances will be running cleaned water by a DuPont filter. If you have any questions about your DuPont water filter, feel free to call us on our toll-free customer service line, found in the instruction manual, or visit us online at www.waterfiltration.dupont.com.